everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 6. So this week we're going to talk about our research paper, and you're going to get tips and tricks on how to come up with the topic that you need to choose. So information here regarding what topic to pick, information on APA style. First we talk about APA style 6, and then we move into APA style 7. So every few years they change the dynamics of APA and the requirements. I find it easy to start with APA Style 6 because the basics are simpler to me, and then move on to APA Style 7. I think it's really important to take a look really closely at the material because your research paper can make or break your class because it's a high percentage of your grade. So take a look at this, make sure you do everything you can to focus and be ready for your upcoming paper. So further, we're going to talk about Google Scholar, how to research, where to find information. The link is here. I find Google Scholar to be the easiest source for finding references. I put a sample paper in here for you guys as well, just some of my APA writing in the past. So you're going to see a little bit about APA style in an APA presentation here, some about Google Scholar and how to research here, and then of course you have your week 6 review. But really quickly, if you click on the link and go to Google Scholar, you can type in a variety of different things. Let's say I want to research rural healthcare. If I click on that, as you can tell, there's a lot of different resources out there for rural healthcare. And the great thing that I need you to remember, and it's something that I have in the video as well, when you click the Cite button, you can copy and paste APA format into your paper here, which is great. So if you need anything, please reach out. I'm thankful for all that you're doing. You've come a long way since we started, and of course, before you know it, our research paper will be due, so make sure you take your time in reviewing the material. Thanks so much. Have a good rest of the week, and then have a good week next week.